In today's video, I'll show you how to see who unsubscribed from your ConvertKit list in just a few minutes. Whether you're managing a large email list or just starting out, tracking unsubscribes is key to improving your email strategy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in using your account credentials or create an account if you are new to the platform. Once you are in, head over to the subscribers page. Here you'll find all your audience data. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on unsubscribes. Click the unsubscribes tab to view who has opted out of your emails. You'll see a clear overview of unsubscribed users along with helpful data like when and why they unsubscribe. ConvertKit also provides a graph and list view showing trends and reasons people left your list. This isn't just data, it's feedback that can help you improve your content and retention strategy. If you'd like to see details for a specific campaign, go to Broadcast Reports, click Recipients, and you'll see exactly who received your email and which subscribers chose to unsubscribe from that broadcast. For those using email sequences, you can view unsubscribes by opening the Sequence Reports page on the right-hand sidebar. Click Unsubscribes to see who left during that sequence. And that's it. You now know how to find and analyze who unsubscribed in ConvertKit, helping you make smarter email marketing decisions moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below.